Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today I have my vacation trunk club. I'm really excited to see what I got from Lucy this month. So if you'd like to see what I got and see me try it on, keep on watching. Okay, so Trunk Club is a Nordstrom's brand company that does a $25 styling fee and sends you like at least like 10 to 12 pieces. It's really cool because you have a very interactive way of talking with your stylist through their app, but it's like a text messages, so you can like talk like you would through a normal text message, have conversation, send them pictures, they look at your Pinterest board. So it's a really cool service for finding new items of clothing, and I love Nordstrom's and all of their stuff, so this works out really perfectly for me. I love it. If you have a Nordstrom's card, they waive the $25 styling fee every single time, and another really cool thing about it is you actually get to preview your trunk before they send it to you, and at that time you can once you approve it, you can have them just send the items that you approved, or you can have them replace the stuff that you didn't like with new stuff. So one, there is that element of surprise still if you want them to send new stuff, because you don't get to preview it, but you also get to kind of customize your box a little bit more. And the more customization that you say you like or don't like, the more that the box is curated towards your style and fit. So I've been having a great experience with Lucy. She's been really awesome. She really listens to me. She's just really fun, and like you can have conversations. Like I was like, I'm going to Hawaii, and she's like, I've never been to Hawaii, and I was like, oh, I love Hawaii. So we actually have like a normal conversation. She kind of feels like a friend, even though I don't really know her that well besides text messages. But anyway, so this is definitely my Hawaii box. She had originally, I had forgotten to tell her what I wanted, so she had included some pieces that were geared towards 4th of July, and some of those pieces I really liked, but I wanted her to incorporate some more stuff that was more Hawaii related. So yeah, let's see. Now I have 2 pairs of shoes and a big bundle of clothing. So today, nice big box. Just in case you're unfamiliar too on the way you send it back, you throw everything back into this trunk. They send you a self-addressed stamped thing. You don't pay postage, and you can have UPS come and pick it up. You just through the app, you say like schedule your pickup, and it makes it really easy. You don't have to go to the post office or UPS. Love that piece. Just throw that back there. Okay, so let's start with the shoes. So the first pair is Vince Camuto, which is one of my favorite bands, and these are really cute. Actually, I don't really have anything like this. It's thick heel. It's kind of this slatey gray. It velcros, which is my jam. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly that I need another shoe like this, but you never know. We'll try that on. It could be super cute. Next are some shoes that I've been coming over, and I actually did not mention this to her. She just sent these, and I'm super stoked. And it is the Tory Burch. Oh, sorry, I always tell you the prices. I'll leave everything that you see down below in the description box, and because it's a Nordstrom's affiliated company, if you are not a member of Trunk Club and you like something, all you have to do is go to Nordstroms.com or to your local store and see if they have this item and order it. So that's really cool. So those Tory, oh no, sorry, what did I used to show you for the Vince Camuto Keannie sandal are $119.95. And the Tory Burch Miller flip-flop are $198, and I'm so excited. Now, I'm not exactly sure about the color. You can exchange the color, and I might have exchanged it to begin with, but I did ask her to size up because the last pair of Tory Burches that I had purchased, I ordered in my regular size, which is 7.5, and they run small. So I had said like, oh, I needed an 8. So she made that adjustment even after I had approved the box. Again, Sand Patent $198. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a pair. So this is like a perfect opportunity for me to be like a little bit indulgent. What's really nice too is either before you approve something, you can change a size and a color, and even afterwards, like if you want to exchange something, you have the ability to exchange it too. If those were too big or I wanted a different color, I could also do that. So let's get into the clothing items. So the first is a black shirt, and this is the Halogen lace and crepe top, and it's $59. It's really cute. I like it because I could wear a bra with it. I feel like it could be a little bit dressy. It's really long. I've kind of been noticing that lately, especially because I'm short. The last few shirts I've gotten are seem like really long, but you never know because I have a bigger chest, so sometimes it makes things shorter, so it's not always a bad thing. Okay, so next up, and did I say that I'm like way beyond? That Halogen shirt was $59. Okay, so this is long. Okay, the Soprano maxi dress in large red, $49. I really like this. Actually, when I had, oh, it's really see-through. So we'll see how that works. This might be too small and hug me in all the wrong places, but I actually really like the concept. When I first saw it, I thought it was more of like a, oh yeah, it slits up the side on one side. I thought it was more of like a jersey knit, because I would have gotten, I guess I could have read it, probably said the material, I would have ordered a size up, because I just think that this is going to be too snug. Yeah, I can usually tell. So that could go either way. Now this dress I got to preview and I thought it was so cute, and this is by, let's see, THML, and it's $82. I thought this was so stinking cute, and it's kind of like something I wouldn't normally pick out or wear, but I thought it was adorable. And it looks like the length is short. It may be a little snug in the chest, but I may need to order a size up, but I just really like it, and I thought that'd be cute for throwing on with those Tory Burch sandals. Okay, next up I have, see, who is this by? Free People, and it's called the Peachy Tank. It's $68, which seems a little overpriced, but we'll see. And it's just kind of this V-neck, and it has this kind of like detail at the bottom, so cute. Next up I have a Free People Racerback bralette in medium. This will not fit. I'm not a medium in a bra. I have one of these from I think like Aerie or American Eagle, and then I also have some Free People ones that are like extra large and they barely fit, so this definitely won't fit. I'm not going to try this on. It's a really nice bralette. I really love it. The material is actually really nice, but I know this won't fit. Like, that's what I always do. So I always kind of put my boobs to it and kind of be like, no, like I've got a lot of boob underneath here. So I'm not going to try that on because I just feel like it's a waste of trying something on that I know that's not going to fit. Okay, next up is this is the Trouve. Where am I? My foot's falling asleep. Side sheared tank dress in navy, and it's $79. This is actually cute. I thought this would be really cute. It's, again, shears on the side. This material is a lot more like fancier than I thought. I thought it was going to be cotton. Again, I think this dress will probably be too small. When they're really like not stretchy fabrics, they don't typically fit my chest that well, so but we will see. Next up is this Hinge metallic stripe shift dress, and this is $69. Oh, this could be cute. It has a lining inside. You know what, I didn't like love this dress, but I was previewing my trunk. My mom actually was there with me, so she was like, I like that one, let's keep it. And like last time I ended up keeping more than I thought I would, because I tried on all of this stuff with my mom and she kind of steered me like what she thought looked cute. So we'll see how that looks on. I may love it. I was really excited about this. This is by Sanctuary, and this is the Lakeside t-shirt dress, and this is $89. I thought this was so stinking cute. Now it's just like this like cotton dress. It looks really comfy, but it has these really cute like details of the sleeve. I really like this, so I'm hoping that it's cute on, because I thought this would be perfect Hawaiian dress. Okay, this is by One State, and this is the Chiffon Inset Camisole. I thought this was kind of cute. It's like definitely not something I would normally wear. I mean, I like things like this, but the print, but I thought it could be cute. So yes, and then we have one more sanctuary thing. I think I said the right one for that sanctuary one. Oh yeah, this is the Bryce lace-up cotton dress. And it's a little thick, but it's kind of cute. It's a t-shirt dress, and it does this like cinching on this side, which I actually kind of like. So that's kind of reminiscent of the Kazan one that I ended up keeping from last month. It was black. So those are kind of my first impressions. Now let's get on to the try on. Okay, so I'm gonna do dresses first, and this is I'm actually liking more than I thought I would. It's a little thick, I think, for Hawaii, but it's really cute. So it's like this. It has this like detail. It's not like open, and it ties, and it has like a little bit of a like a hem right here, and it's actually pretty cute. I feel like I get a lot of this like army green color, and it's not like one of my favorites. I just feel like I like a little bit more brighter colors, or like this is pretty neutral, but like, or blacks or navies, but I don't know if Lucy really wants me to wear green or not, but I do get a lot of green in my boxes. So let's try the next one. Okay, so this dress I was really excited for, and I'm not actually sure that I actually like it on, and that's kind of just the way things go sometimes. So it's like this, and then I just don't think it's actually that flattering on. I wanted it to be, but I don't think it really does anything for my shape. Yeah, I love the color though. I kind of wish it was the top, because I think it would be a lot more flattering. But yeah, so let's see what the next one. Okay, so moms might be right. I actually really like this little dress. Now, because there is like a liner underneath, that fits a little snug on me. So it makes this look a little bit snug because it has more room, but I actually kind of like it. I love the sleeves. Has that metallic. I love the length on it. I just feel like this is really comfy. It took a little long to put on because it does have that liner, but I actually really like it, and it's really lightweight. I can just see this cute pair of sandals out to dinner. I could wear this like lecturing or just like around town. I should listen to my mom more often. This is actually really cute. Like, okay, this is real life. I love this dress. I can't breathe in it. Like literally my boobs, I don't even know how I'm gonna get out. Like, look how short it is, because I can't get it to go anywhere further down my boobs. I love this dress so. It's definitely something that I'm going to exchange, hopefully. And it'll fit better, but I can't get out of it right now. So I'm really wishing I had a second person here. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this. Okay, so I have this Free People shirt on, which I'll show you in a second. This Trouve dress I think is really cute. It was another one like that blue one. I did not feel like getting stuck in this dress, so I actually really like it. So I think I'm gonna see what other colors they have. And then this red dress was kind of the same thing. This is probably not something I would wear, so I'm not gonna try and exchange it. But yeah, so that's kind of what with those two dresses. So here's the Free People shirt. It's cute. The thing is, like, it's already unraveling, which is really hard with these kind of Free People shirts. So I'm not gonna keep this, and it's cute and everything, but I've had a few pieces with Free People that have kind of unraveled, and that's kind of the look. But yeah, I just think this one would be like far too frail, and yeah, but I love the color, so let's see what's next. So here is this shirt by Halogen. It's cute. It's definitely not something that I need right now. And it's like, this material has no stretch, but you can like see how big it is right here. Like, and this is a large, and the dresses are medium, so things just fit so differently. Like, this really should be fitting a little bit better. So if I had decided to keep it, I would exchange this for a medium. And so sizing can be so difficult, especially if you have, you know, a shape like me or different kinds of shape. So many shapes are hard to fit, so you just kind of never know. So I think I have one more top, so let's check that out. Oh, and the shoes. Okay, so here is that one state tank. It's cute. I would need a bigger size. It's really constricting on my boobs. I think I would like it more if it wasn't patterned. I'm just not big on patterns. I just don't know why. So yeah, so this is cute, but it's nothing like, I mean, I may see what colors they have to exchange it, but it's okay. So let's get on to the shoes. Okay, so here is the Miller flat. It is so stinking cute. Now, I don't think this is the color that I would go for. It matches, there's, I think, like a canvas one that I think I would like better, but the 8s are definitely better than the 7.5s. And yeah, so I'll probably exchange these because I've been really wanting these. So okay, let's see the other shoe. Okay, so here is the Vince Camuto. Because these are so comfortable. I kind of like these. I didn't really think I needed another pair of shoes. And I just love that they are easy to like Velcro right there to get on and off. They're not too high and I feel like they'd be super comfy. So these are could be a contender. I have so much to think about. So, but what I thought I'd do before I sign off is kind of show you how this app works. So, it has an app. It's Trunk Club. These are like the text messages that I get from Lucy. Then right here, I'm going to look at my trunk. So let's say I want to look at the Miller. Let's see. So I'm going to hit exchange. And then it'll tell you, this is the only part that gets frustrating, is that it'll tell you in my size 8 what colors are available. I wanted the color makeup. So rose gold. So that's the only hard part, and I think that's why she didn't send me the color I originally wanted. So I may have to wait till they get in stock online. I mean, in the store. But let's say like I really wanted this. This is what is really hard, is that I really liked this dress. No sizes available. So maybe I'm not showing you the best part. Like this Trouve dress, they have just an extra large, extra large. So I could exchange that. Maybe that didn't go as expected, but you do have opportunities. And actually most times I've had good luck exchanging stuff. Like if you saw those joggers, I got them in black. I exchanged things for different colors. So everything seems to be a little bit sold out, so I don't know why, but I mean, that's what happens. It can be a little bit of a bummer, but yeah, so I think it was a really good trunk. I definitely have some pieces that I'm going to be looking at and kind of figuring out if I want to keep them or not. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done so yet, and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.